In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes to tasks in Todoist. Keeping your to-do list clear and organized is not just about writing what you need to do. Often, you also need extra details like ideas, reminders, or progress updates. That's where comments or notes on tasks become really useful. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to open a task and add a comment to it, and I'll also explain how you might want to use this feature to stay organized. First, open Todoist and make sure you're looking at a project or a list where you already have some tasks created. Take a moment to locate the task you want to add a note to. This could be anything from a work assignment to a personal reminder. The key is to choose the task that needs more context or explanation. Once you've found that task, click on the task itself. Don't click on the checkbox because that would complete the task. Instead, click on the task name or title. When you do this, a detailed view of the task will open. This is usually a panel or a pop-up where you can see more information about that specific task. In this task detail view, look for the comment or note icon. Depending on your version of Todoist, this might look like a speech bubble or something similar. Click on the comment option. This will open a small text area where you can type your note. Now, type in whatever information you want to attach to that task. This could be meeting notes, links to resources, a checklist of sub-ideas, or even a reminder to yourself about what done actually looks like for this task. Try to be clear and specific so that when you come back later, you immediately understand what you meant. When you're finished writing your note, make sure to save or submit the comment. Usually, this is done by pressing the Enter key or clicking a send or save icon, depending on the interface. After it's saved, your note is now attached to that task, and you'll be able to view it anytime by clicking on the task again. Using comments this way helps you separate the main task from all of its supporting details, keeping your to-do list clean while still giving you quick access to everything you need to get the work done.